Now, I can also resize images. I can make them smaller, I can scale them up. Let's say we go to Code Interpreter, and again, I upload the same book cover images that I have previously. Then I can say, alright, make the images 50% smaller, for example. Right, so it unzips the archive, it will resize each image to 50% of its original size. Okay, we want to ignore the macOS folder, so yes, let's carry on. Alright, the images have been successfully resized to 50%. Alright, we can download. Alright, I downloaded the resized images.zip folder, and let me open this, and if I open this, and I get resized versions. Alright, so you can do other prompts, for example, like resize the images so that it is appropriate for Instagram or for Twitter and so on.